My name is Michael Brooke and I live in North Cardiff. I'm a member of our local church choir, but also of the Llandaff Cathedral Choral Society, of which I was recently the chairman. The Choral Society is not the same as the Cathedral Choir. We have over 100 members of all ages and many different backgrounds. Our purpose is to perform major choral works, almost always settings of religious texts. We give 3 concerts a year in the cathedral. In other words, we're performing some of the greatest music ever written in one of the finest buildings in Wales. It's a real privilege. We have to work hard. We practice each week on Monday evenings, plus a certain amount of homework. Coming up to concerts, we have additional practices, and we spend the afternoon of a concert bringing everything together with orchestral musicians and soloists. All choirs are social organisations. We love making music together, hopefully in harmony, but we also have lively social activities. Part of this is to raise money. Our concerts invariably run up quite large deficits, but it's a real joy in itself. Unfortunately, everything has come to a standstill in lockdown. You can't run a choir on Zoom. You can still hold committee meetings, of course, and you can keep in touch with each other, but singing has come to a halt. We face real uncertainties in the immediate future. Concerts have to be planned and prepared over many months. We don't know when that can start again. Many of our members, including me, are over the age of 70, and we may have to be isolated for longer than the others. I certainly wouldn't want to hold back the younger members of the choir, but it will be a very different choir. We're likely to be pretty rusty when we get back, so our conductor will have a challenging task to lick us all back into shape. Personally, I have always regarded music as a vital part of my religious life. It was a particular loss to me to be inactive over Easter. I know of no other way in which the emotions of Easter can be expressed so very effectively. If I'm looking on the bright side, then there is the general point that we are always in danger of taking things for granted until we lose them. That is certainly true of singing in a choir. Personally, I have also found it actually very useful to be far more aware of the words themselves, which are the basis of the music we sing. There is perhaps a temptation to concentrate on the music itself when we're performing, but this should be the servant of worship, and I sincerely hope that I will be more sensitive to it in future. Thank you.